student, welcome to my YouTube channel Story with SM. Today I discussed about history of English literature, Elizabethan age. Elizabethan age is the most important of history of English literature. In this age, Queen Elizabeth ruled England. She was known as Virgin Queen. This age was called as Golden Age of English literature. Elizabethan age, also known as the Golden Age of English literature. Elizabethan age, also called as the Golden Age of English literature. Freedom of expression was given to people. Discussion were made out of reason, logic, and science. In Elizabethan age, reformation in politics, economics, religion, and art can be seen. Economy flourished and church's power decreased. Catholic following rigid Christian belief. Protestant, those who were against it. This age is focused on secularism, due to which Protestants were also given status of citizens. Health. Life expectancy was 40 years. 5% infant children died during birth. 40% children died before 15. 1 in every 100 mother died during childbirth. Patriarchy. Women's status were lesser than men. They did not receive education or share in inheritance. Only they were there to bear children and look after homes. Migration to London. People from villages used to migrate to London. Also, Protestants from neighboring countries used to settle in London. This particular age is also known as of exploration because people wanted to travel other countries for trade, and that particular group of in called East India Company. Some question or discussion this video. Number 1 is, who is the father of English literature? Geoffrey Chaucer. Geoffrey Chaucer is the father of English literature. It is very important question for English honor student. Who is the father of English poetry? Geoffrey Chaucer is the father of English poetry. Number 3. Where did the Black Death take place? In between 1347 to 1451, the Black Death took place. Number 4. Between which two countries the 100 Years' War was going on? Between England and France, the 100 Years' War was going on. Number 5. When did English language become the language of school? In 1386, English language became the language of school. Court 1362, Parliament 1363. Number 6. Which is the most unproductive age in English literature? Age of Revival is the most unproductive age of the English literature. The War of Rose was going on between which two houses? The War of Rose was going between House of Lancaster, Red Rose, and House of York's White Rose. Number 8. When and by whom printing press was invented in Germany? In 1450 AD, Johannes Gutenberg invented printing press in Germany. Number 9. In 1476 AD, who bought printing press to England. William Caxton brought printing press to England in 1476 AD. Number 10. In which way printing press helped people during that time in England? It helped circulating religious ideas during Reformation and its increased literary rate. Number 11. Why Elizabethan age was called as Golden Age of English Literature? Why Elizabethan age was called as the Golden Age of English Literature? It is also known as the Golden Age of Literature. Why? In this age, Queen Elizabeth came to the throne and Protestant when were given status on citizen focused on secularism. People were people were given the freedom, expression, decision were made out of reason and logic. Reformation influence this time, this Elizabethan age, the Queen Elizabeth, reformation in politics, economy, and arts can be seen economy flourished, whereas church's power decreases. Thank you for watching this video.